Well, last summer we bought this, what is this thing? It is a Cuisinart. We replaced our microwave with it, and as you can tell, it's been well used. We don't even use our oven anymore. And one thing it's really good for is I slice up potatoes, and of course my wife, she doctors them up with whatever, and it only takes 10 minutes. We can cook a whole chicken, one of those split chickens from Whole Foods, in like 20 minutes. No preheat, no nothing. Stick them in there, turn it on. Next thing you know, they're done. I'll show you the results when they come out. Okay, doctored up, ready to go in. Top of parchment paper. About 10 minutes, 400 degrees. There's an air fry if you want something else, but we just have it on bake. They seem to cook a little longer, quicker on the bake cycle. Alright, see you in 10 minutes. Well, this thing's just about to end. Get a better picture when it comes out of the oven. There we go. Now, if I just don't burn myself. Hot dog, look at there. Baked French fries. 10 minutes. We're going to have happy eating.